Hello friends, welcome back to our channel QR Civil Academy. One more video on general studies part 8. Now let's discuss about best 20 bits on schemes of Telangana, TSPSC, AEE and all the competitive exams of state of Telangana presented by the QR Civil Academy. So today we are going to discuss about 20 special bits on schemes of Telangana. Now let us move towards the bits. Which scheme has been launched by the Telangana government to provide one nutritious meal every day to pregnant and lactating women and children below the age of 6 through Anganwadi centers? So here the answer is Arogya Lakshmi. This scheme is meant for the pregnant, lactating women and children below the age of 6, and this scheme is implemented by the state of government of Telangana, and it is provided at Anganwadi centers. Bit number 2. How many tanks government aiming to restore under Mission Kakatiya scheme? Kakatiya mission is one of the scheme meant for the protect our tanks. That is the quantity of number is asking, that is 46,000 tanks has been covered under the scheme of Mission Kakatiya. Bit number 3. What is the main aim of KCR kit scheme? The main aim of this scheme is to provide all the necessary items for pregnant women and the newborn baby. So when a newborn baby has been delivered in the government hospitals, then the KCR kit will be provided to the women's. Bit number 4. Which scheme has been launched by Telangana government to achieve avoidable blindness free status? The answer is Kanti Velugu program. This program was made by the state government to avoid the blindness free state. In this scheme they provided specs and they have done free checkups to all the people who are suffering from the problems in the eyes. Bit number 5. How much amount raised in being paid by Telangana government under Kalyana Lakshmi Pathakam scheme? Kalyana Lakshmi Pathakam scheme is one more scheme for all the women's or girls for the purpose of disabled. So, and also it has been raised by 25% for disabled women. The state government will now offer rupees 1,25,145 to women with disabilities on the occasion of their marriage. Previously, the government provides 1,116 rupees under Kalyana Lakshmi Yojana to low-income families who are deprived of performing marriages of their girl children. So this scheme is provided for the girls' marriages also to get the sum for the smooth functioning of the marriages. So the is amount earlier it was 1,116 rupees. Now it has been raised to 1,25,145 rupees. And this another name is for the minority girls is about Shadi Mubarak scheme. This scheme was provided to provide financial aid for the girls who are doing marriage. Okay. So bit number 6. How much loan waiver will be given to handloom sector under handloom waivers loan waiver scheme? So it is about, the answer is the beneficiary will get the loan waiver of up to 1 lakh. How many handloom waivers will get covered under handloom waivers loan waiver scheme? It is expected to cover about 2,467 handloom waivers across the state. How much allowance Telangana government will provide to all eligible unemployed candidates under unemployed allowance scheme? The amount is 3,016 rupees per month. Now next slide. Up to how much crop loan will be waived off under Telangana government crop loan waiver scheme? It is up to 1 lakh we can able to waive off. We need not to pay the amount returned back. Next bit, how much subsidy Telangana government is providing in setting up kiosks for selling fish products and boats under Integrated Fish Development Scheme. Integrated Fish Development Scheme, its head office is located in the capital city Hyderabad. So they are providing 80% to 90% of subsidy. Example, 1 lakh if the amount, the cost for the for the arrangement, then the government is providing almost 90,000. Only from our side we need to pay only 10,000 rupees. Next bit. What is the objective of Telangana Government Integrated Fish Development Scheme? The primary objective of the IFDS scheme is to increase fish production and productivity by providing backward and forward linkages and enhancing livelihoods of fishers. What is the objective of Telangana Government Kanti Velugu program? To achieve avoidable blindness free status. Next slide. How many people will take the benefit of Telangana Government Kanti Velugu program? Around 3.70 crore citizens have taken the benefit from Kanti Velugu program. How much raise in the pension has been given by the Telangana government under Asara pension scheme? Already in the earlier video I was discussed about the schemes of Telangana on Asara pension. So here it is giving the amount how much it has been allocated. So the pensioner amount has been raised from 1000 rupees to 2016 for all the categories. So the amount earlier was giving 1000, now it has been giving about 2016 rupees per month. How much pension raise has been to different able person under Telangana government Asara pension scheme? 2016 is for the old age persons and who are having physically handicapped or any other differently abled person. For that they are providing the amount of 3016. So pension amount of differently abled persons have been increased from 1500 to 3016 rupees. Earlier they were providing 1500, now it has been raised to 3016 rupees. How much subsidy will be given to purchase buffaloes under Telangana government buffalo distribution scheme? So we are giving 50% of subsidy from the state government. Suppose example, a 1 lakh cost for the buffalo you have spent, then 50,000 rupees will be provided by the state government and the remaining amount 50,000 we need to pay from our side. So this is 50% of subsidy. Next slide. What is the objective of launching Mission Bhagiratha by the Telangana government? To provide safe drinking water to everyone through dedicated water pipeline in the state. So this is one of the important scheme made by the state government. In this, the state has been ranked almost in top position in our country, because by this Mission Bhagiratha every household is getting the safe water drinking to the individual houses for alternate days. This is one of the best scheme in our country. How much cost is projected for Mission Bhagiratha? Rupees 42,000 crores has been expected for the product, that is Mission Bhagiratha. How much amount Telangana government will spend on the farmers investment support scheme? Rupees 12,000 rupees they are spending for the FISS, that is Farmers Investment Support Scheme. What is the objective of launching Me Seva Health Card under Me Seva Health Card scheme? The objective of this card to provide cashless treatment to state government employees, including the state government pensioners, along with their dependent family members. So these are the topmost 20 bits on the schemes of Telangana, how much amount they are paying. If you like the video, kindly like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon for the QR Civil Academy. Thanks for watching.